Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to an episode of Train Conductor's World. In this episode, we'll be re-exploring Bastille and Warsaw. Because these two areas are the newest areas that I have not featured that many times, so... Not a very difficult area. I need to do 100 cargo box for this one. The biggest problem for this map is the slow trains. The slow trains are like Florence. It's insanely long. Up there, pop that balloon. But when you're doing the Bastille pop balloon test, it's actually very easy because they all just gonna be spawning in the middle. The balloons, they're all just gonna spawn in the middle. They're not gonna spawn in the middle where you actually need to send the trains over. They're only going to spawn in the middle spot right here, so that's why. For the balloons, so that's why you just send trains over and you can pop them. Okay. Oh gosh, wrong track. That's close. Slow train coming in, slow train take the top path. Save the other ones that are not gonna crash them, hopefully. Wrong track. Oh, this is a big problem right there, up top. Slow train coming in. Slow train. Got it. If you hold too long, it might just lose the star because this is the end of the level, so... Holy shit, one time we got that number of amount of cargoes. 31 to go. High score. We just play one more time. This is how you want to beat Bastille. You just try to use the same part, same track, because then you won't crash, so... It's like this. Use the same track. Oh, this one you go down. Ah, whatever. No, you use this one. Go there. Actually, no. You go that one. I have other trains for you to use that one, so that's why no worries. Oh gosh, slow train. Stop the slow train. You get up there. Another slow train. Stop. You go up top. You go there. Fortunately, here's the problem. That's close. You go that way. Slow train coming in. Up there, safe. Over there. Here. Here. Slow train right here. Slow down a little bit. Here's a big problem. That's a big problem. Yeah, that's a big problem. I should move it downwards instead. We beat that one. That's how you beat Bastille. You try to use the same track every single time. And now we choose to Warsaw. There's no missions here, but I just want to show you how to beat this one. It's not a very difficult area. The middle part is the most annoying because you cannot send things over when you're traveling in the middle. So I try to get things swapped over before the middle. There's not a lot of trains for this area. They only give you like around 20 trains every single time, so that's why. The pace of this area is very slow, so that's why. The middle area can be made use of because can be made use of the gathering system. They can get everything in the middle, and then by the end you send them over. So here's the biggest problem right here. That cannot send in the middle, so that's why. Oh, is that okay? Ah, that's not okay. Damn it. I'll replay Warsaw until I get that track thing up there. Unfortunate is that we only get like 20 to 30 cargoes. I definitely cannot. I might just go and play some Florence after this to get the cargoes for another new track. I know, no need to worry, guys. I have already got the track to Prague, so the track to Prague is ready to be built. the track to Prague is ready to be built, but I'm just waiting to build it to the next episode. Go over! I hope you're safe, actually. That's not safe at all. Get up one, move down, go back up, go up there, go here, go there. Oh, that's not safe there. Oh, that's really not safe? That's bullshit right there. Alright, at least we beat it once, then we called it quit. Now get some Florence afterwards. To get cargoes. Not worried about that one. This is a problem. Oh, problem right there. There's a lot of trains here. There's a lot of trains. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of trains suddenly at the end. But that's basically how you beat it. Alright, we're good. We explored the Warsaw a little bit, and we'll get a Florence in here to get the cargoes. Oh, I meant to do that. Oh gosh, that's so stupid. This is a little bit better. That was miserable. It's terrible. Okay. Not the best spawn. I'd rather have 5 normal trains. But still better than 2 slow trains and still better than 2 slow trains and 1 normal train. Not really okay, but I just found out the strategy is never want to stop the trains. If you stop the trains, you cannot get a high score, so that's why. So just by moving the trains to prevent him from stopping. If you stay up there, that was not smart to move down. Unfortunately, I have to stop there. There's no other choice. Did I fail the train? I missed the balloon. Oh, that's everywhere. Did I fail the star? I failed the train? I thought I heard it fail the train. Oh, this is the worst spawn. Not the worst spawn, but not a good spawn. 2 normal trains and 2 slow trains. Especially right here. A little bit of problem right there. Especially that one have to stop. That one I'd rather move. Stay behind, stop there, reload there. Slow train coming in. Oh, up there. Oh. We're almost getting the cargoes, that's all I want. After get the cargo, we'll end the episode. That's already actually a restart. It's a terrible spawn. That was close. Express coming in. Use 2 hands for this area. That's the strategy also I found out. Use 2 hands to play this area. One hand, your left hand on the left side, you use your thumb to sometimes stop the trains that are actually traveling on the left side of the map. And for your right hand, you use your index finger to normally just stop the trains. That was stupid. That was death. Wrong train at the bottom. Did I got the cargo? Not yet. That was kind of dumb. Very dumb, actually, because we're actually pretty screwed here. That was so stupid. That was my fault there, definitely. I even knew it! Oh. You gotta be joking. One more time to get the cargoes. Oh, this is the worst spawn. You see, this is why I said the worst spawn. 2 slow trains and 1 special train, just like, and 1 normal train, just like that. Sorry about that. Oh, I stopped the wrong train. That was so bull. We got the cargoes. That's the end of this episode. In the next episode, we'll connect Prague. Till then, guys, take it easy. And we'll see. Oh, if there's an ad, then no. Peace.